Welcome to Deck the Walls, and congratulations on being hired as a member of the team. This video is going to be used as a tool to train you on how to put the frame pieces together. Let's begin. First, you will need to take the artwork with the glass on top of it over to your workstation and clean the glass. You will need a paper towel as well as your glass cleaner. Make sure there is no dust or scratches on your piece. Once your glass is clean, you will then find the frame needed for the piece. Once the frame is found, you will put it on the clean artwork and flip the piece upside down. Make sure the top of the piece is closest to you. Next, you will take the backing gun with the specified backing and place it on top of the back of the artwork with the tip of it touching the wood. You will shoot the backing into the wood every ½ inch apart around the inside of the frame. This will keep the piece from moving. Once you have completed that, you will then need to take the double-sided tape gun and go around the outside back of the frame. You do this by placing the red part of the gun on the wood and pressing the lever will allow it to spin, so the tape goes on nice and flat. After that, you will need to rip off a sheet of brown paper that is bigger than the framed piece. You can just eyeball this part. Once you have your paper, neatly slide it onto the back of the frame so that the top of the paper and the frame meet. Make sure that the paper lays flat. Once it is flat, then you can press it down so it sticks to the tape you have already laid. Once you have done that, you will then cut off the excess paper using your paper cutter. Now that you have a nice back, you will need to measure the piece from top to bottom and find 1/3 of the way down. This is where you will mark for your hardware to go. You will now create a hole at the markings you made with your hammer and hole puncher. You will need to do this by placing the hole puncher at your mark and then hitting it with your hammer. Once you have your hole, take your wire hanger and screw and insert the screw into the wire hanger. Then you will place the screw into the hole you made and using a drill, screw in both sides and into place so the wire hanger is facing inward. Now that both sides are secure, you will need to take your wire and insert it into the wire hanger. You will go through it twice both sides, then wrap the wire around itself in the middle. Once you are done with this, you need to cut off the excess wire and then place the Deck the Wall sticker at the bottom of the frame. You have now completed your framing project. There will be another short video on what to do from there after.